Katie! Katie, come here. Come here, Katie. Look at you! What a pretty girl with a box of chicken! Where are you going with it? Look at that cute wiggle. Here I am. Look, Dad.
Oh, Katie, you got the chicken for me.
There's Dad's giving Max some water. Doing quite the tour of the kitchen and the Katie room with the chicken. Oh boy, one of my favorite things in the world, Publix chicken. Oh, look, it comes in such a pretty box. It's so easy for me to hold with my teeth. I love it. Look at pretty Katie. Oh, yummy chicken. Oh, I'm having a happy day. I'm having a happy Publix chicken day. Good girl, Kate. Oh, pretty yawn.